Hi, today we are going to look at one hotel here in Anse Royale in Mahé, Seychelles, and that's La Villa Therese. It's a 3-star hotel according to the booking. The hotel is a 2-minute walk from Anse Royale beach. I'm walking from there, so let's check it out. We are approaching the hotel. There is our apartment in the building and Villa Therese is also next door. Behind this blue gate is the reception, and here is the main building of the hotel. Our apartment is up there on the top floor of this building. There are also rooms down here on the ground floor. And there is sitting area in the courtyard at the back, and this is where you can take a shower when you come from the beach. Let's go upstairs. Yes, you can hear the noise of construction activity here because the owner of the hotel, Patrick, is building another part of the hotel. But the noise is not a problem. They are only working during the day when we are out of the hotel anyway. This is our room, so let's take a look inside. We enter directly into the living room, which is connected to the kitchen. It is spacious and contains everything we need for a long stay. From the living room you can reach the spacious terrace. There is a Mahé building. There is a closed drying rack, a solid table, and chairs where it is nice to have breakfast. But let's move on to the room tour. In the living room, there is a TV, cabinets for smaller things, and table with sofa bed. In the other part of the room there is a large kitchen with a kitchen unit and counter. Here is a microwave and fryer. And on the opposite side there is a gas and electric stove, cutlery and kettle. In the cupboard there are glasses, here is another utensils, just everything you need for cooking and eating, cooking pots, we also have bowls, plates, let's look further. There is a bedroom, there is a double bed and a single bed. There is also a high chair, spacious wardrobes where there is also a safe, a table and a mirror. Let's go to the bathroom. It's spacious enough, clean, sink, toilet, shower, and this is the view from the bathroom. I didn't mention the fridge with freezer next to the front door. And this is the view when leaving the room. It's simple but nice and very clean accommodation. There is also a ceiling fan. It is also here in the bedroom, but there is also air conditioning. And the view from the window, the hotel, our terrace. As you can see, there is plenty of space everywhere. Everything is clean, well maintained, which I especially appreciate. I would definitely recommend staying here if you are going to be in Anse Royale. It's close to the beach, petrol station, hospital, there are shops, takeaways, bus stop. I am pleased with this accommodation. Patrick is very helpful. He can also arrange a transfer to the airport. Just perfect. Thanks for watching.